Hey guys, I posted some pictures of this completed project a while back, and I had a whole bunch of comments and questions and all that kind of stuff, so I figured I'd do up a little video that added some more details. The comments I got ranged from, "Are you crazy?" and "Why would you think of doing that with a hobby CNC?" and all kinds of stuff, to "Hey, that's pretty cool." And so I got it from all ends, which is completely understandable. But basically, I was hoping that I could share some details and maybe answer some of the questions some of you guys have private messaged me and all that kind of stuff. So essentially, I put this CNC in a two-car garage, and I needed a way to sort of move it out of the way and conserve space, and so that's what I came up with. I'll kind of move around and try to show some more details as to what is going on. But so essentially, I installed some stepper motors, some ball screws and linear slides and all that kind of stuff to allow this to move out of the way. All the electronics and everything pertaining to controlling that, as well as the PC and stepper motor controls and Arduino and all that kind of stuff, are under here. I've got recently upgraded to this super long board, but essentially this is the rundown of it. These are the controls for controlling the stepper motors. Essentially, I can send it up, it'll go up fully automatic. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it because it's slow, but this will go all the way up until it hits limit switch up there, and it'll stop on its own. It'll completely fold out of the way. I've got some brushes in the back just to kind of clean it up, and then just wiring cleanliness, I guess. There's my probe, again with a super long board. That's the upgraded E-stop. This button here is a wireless Zigbee button that's connected to my home automation stuff, and so I can control shop vac, that. Let that die down. I don't know why I turned that on with the video on. But essentially, drawers, these things I've got to where they will lock. These buttons, I've got them where they will lock, so when it turns vertical, the drawers won't open. But that's pretty much the gist of it. I think hopefully I tackled everything that some people were asking and inquiring about. If anyone has anything in particular they want to ask, I can answer those questions as well. Again, I mean, there's not a whole lot to it. I mean, it looks a little more complicated than it probably is. But for those that are asking why in the world I would do that, it's really, I hide behind the fact that I say because I needed it functionally, but also there's the parts where it's just sort of cool. Well, thanks for watching. If you wanted the breakdown of the small two-car garage that I'm shoehorned all this into, that's about the gist of it. So thanks for watching.